The Super Bowl might be a week away, but some local pets are getting in on the football action early. Here's a look at the South Park Doggie Adventureland in Gardena. Inside is the first ever dog stadium built just for Little League puppy football. There are stands for doggy parents to watch the game. 3 teams went snout to snout today, looking to take home the crown. And you can find more information online if you're interested about this at southparkdoggie.com.
Very cute. Before we throw it over to